One of the best ways to add an arm or leg to your model is to use the split face tool. When you use it, one big face will split up into a bunch of smaller faces. On this manatee, I want to add the other flipper on this side by splitting this face. I'll click on it, then choose Split Face. This splits the face by adding one in the middle and a few other faces around it. Now, I can use the middle face to add the flipper. I'll click on it and add material, and make a couple adjustments to its size by widening the flipper and making it a bit longer. Using the split face tool helped me make a great looking flipper on the manatee.